Close yours all the way?
Huh?
Nope.
What? Oh.
There you go. Oh, you're all good. We just need to get them seated so they can close properly eventually, hopefully. A lot of leaves.
Everybody's just looking at us like, huh?
Is that enough?
I was thinking maybe grabbing the...
What? It's a jack stand.
Yeah, the jack stand, sorry. My brain's being a little dumb right now.
Well, you can't lift it with that.
No? Right.
Oh, now I see. You're smart, man. Way ahead of me, honestly. See that work.
Brain, like you.
Oh,
Oh no. It was a smart idea.
just crank it down all the way.
We're good, I just slightly missed my...
Oh, okay. Damn, that is some very slight clearance for your lugs.
Oh, that's why I have the special key for it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you gotta have that.
Hey,
Yes,
this is number 4
on the half
on
shot.
this.
Yeah. Did it actually happen? Did it actually pop
Yeah,
up?
I'm trying to...
I have a different kind of mallet if you want to use that instead.
Oh no, it's almost in there.
Okay.
It worked.
Huh?
It's not in.
Great.
Here, buddy. There we go.
Got it?
Yeah. Since you gave me the other mallet,
Nice.
I used one mallet to hammer the other
I
mallet.
feel it. Battle scars.
As the family always said, you got to give your blood sacrifices.
How do you feel, bud? Do you feel like you did a good thing?
I mean, I'm glad that we didn't really do much. We just provided the tools and he saved himself, but you know, I'm glad that we were able to do it this time because he actually had the same issue down at Rancho one time and I was halfway across town and I was actually picking up the Miata, I think, actually at that point. So at least I got to save him or help him out once, right? That was a flame. That was a flame for sure.